Yo. The official start, day 1 of our Back to Basics tour in Botswana. But check where I'm at. Check where I'm at. That is the campsite that you see behind me there. Because we are at Tantabani. But we didn't camp last night. Last night, we chaletted, we glamped, we slept in the toilets. Let me turn this Johnny around. So there you can see the campsite from the chalets, if you look from here. And my sissy Dickus, he slept in that Johnny last night. He is the bearded ghost. Bomb. But I shared my chalet last night with Dassies, rock hyraxes. I came out at some point last night to go get a water. And I skriked my gut off because there was most probably like 30 Dassies sleeping on the stoep here. And they skrik their gatte af for me as well. But check out this beautiful, lekker self-catering chalets of and a fully equipped kitchen. A beautiful, lekker bed. Then the ablutions. Check this lekker bath out. And then outside, outdoor, shower, lekker hot water. So yeah, from here, now we are leaving somewhere in Hunters Road today. But before we do that, it is breakfast time, the Trans-Africa Tantabani breakfast. I'm going to show you now what that looks like. And then Francistown, because none of us have meat or anything that we brought, everything has to be bought because we have no fridges, cool boxes only. But start these choppers. Let's go do breakfast in Francistown. Breakfast of champions. But check my sissy, ne? 2 eggs. Now there's people without eggs because Dickus take 2. So as jy nie eier gekry het, ne? So this is what the Tantabani breakfast looks like. Balanced.
Marco.
Hey, and Marco is not eating a salad. Well done, Marco. Force yourself, ne? So, this is a breakfast spread. Coffees, juice. There's even lekker fruit, man. Kyk net daar, because we have to keep healthy. Check hierdie board. But this paleche. Potatoes and the mince. And fedile, the eggs are almost fedile. But this is where you eat it from. Check here. Man, beautiful view. While having a lekker moer lekker breakfast. On the golf course. Only one place. Tantabani. 40 k's out of Francistown. So lekker water crossing. Lekker water crossing at Tantabani. So the rain. Yo. The rain was too much in Botswana. So I suspect a very wet Back to Basics tour. So I suspect a very wet. Dickus, ons gaan sukkel my broer.
Ja, so lekker oggend, George. Ek het ook nou 'n chauffeur.
Ja, check.
Now I've got a chauffeur as well.
Check who's Dickus as chauffeur.
Ja.
Now he's driving in the lap of luxury. Kyk hoe sit hy. Lekker like a
Baas Dickus.
Hey. Arrivari Dickus.
Arrivari.
Let's go do Francistown. Let's go do shopping. Because we have to buy meat, we have to buy bread, we have to buy everything. Support local. Arrivari. Ek moet nie weer vir my sê voetsak nie. Alright, so first round of shopping is done. Some drinks, some bread, some coffee, toilet paper, and some drinks and yogurts. So I'm going to show you now this Dometic. Yesterday morning when we left Pretoria, we put in ice and drinks. Still a moor of a lot of ice. So we're not going to fill up ice again. We're just going to put in the drinks, the butter, the yogurt and stuff. So being back to basics, we did not bring any meat. We're buying our meat in Francistown. So there's this place called Meat Traders as you come into Francistown. But I'm going to turn this around. Check here. Check this T-bones, ne? Check the rumps. There's your more matured rumps. Mince, blokkies vlees, ne? Chicken, chicken, ne? Kolobi, worso. Listen, kolobe. Don't smuggle meat into Botswana. Come buy your meat in Botswana. Kimun nati kaufela meat. So we're buying now for the next 3 days. In Pandamatenga, we'll buy meat again. Because my sissy Dukkas, she's eating meat too much. Arrivari. So let's shop for some meat. And check. Wait. Now listen. Tell me if this is not the best T-bone in Botswana. Ra, sepedi for me, but like that, please. Vacuum, please, Papa, vacuum. Hey, but first for me, like that one. Because this man is trying to steal my meat now. Marco, Daka say for him, Fu? Yeah, Fu? Yeah, wat sê vir my in die bakkie? What do you always tell me in the bakkie? Fu? Voetsack, Marco. Let's buy some meat. Dikkas, chipa, ne? 144. Check hierdie T-bones, ne? Kimun nati kaufela T-bones. How much per kg? How much pull?
91.
91 pull per kg, ne?
1.57 kilos.
Sirloins. Chipa, 43 for 2 sirloins. And then we're gonna make some poiki. 57 pula. Hey, chipa. And my sissy Dukkas is paying. Sure, Christmas. It's Christmas for me today. Kaleboa Dukkas. Hey. Mother's hair, and then the heavens opened up. Moer. Nee, kykie ne. Ons gaan nou braai. Not. Now this is lots of rain. Lots. Let's go do basics, they said. Dukkas.
Yeah,
It's gonna be fun, they said. You're not besteering, man. You're not besteering, man.
You're making.
But anyways, let's go braai. Fun and games and high drama. So it's not the cruiser, it's the English. Dis die Engelse. Right, let's see. Properly stuck. But it takes a Hilux to take a cruiser out. Hey! Nog 'n bietjie. Right now, first victim of the day. Lekker my broer. But it's not the cruiser. It's the English. Ja, as jy die cruiser nie, is die Engelse. Right, first one recovered. Sure. But this one, man, Dukkas not even suckling. Not even suckling, man. Hilux, Papa, the real Kasongo. Hilux, you beast, taking a cruiser out. So yeah, and that is just the start. I think lots more fun and games to come. But anyways, let's see. Riavaya, let's go. So Dukkas, hey Papa.
We all live in a white submarine.
A white submarine. Listen, first, unstuck already, this cruiser. But let's go look for the real route. Missed it by a slight miscalculation. But I'm sure we're gonna find it now. So yeah, river crossing number 1. Done and done. This one is the worst I've ever seen this river in all my life. Blikskottel. Yo, this is the deepest I've ever seen. This river. Nee, je moet komen, papa, je moet komen. Alright, the Parado made it through. This is usually just a small little stream. And now, a raging torrent. Easy does it. Easy, easy, easy. Easy does it. Makes a little dip there, but once you're through the dip, it's all good. All good. Nice, man. Nice. Nice, Stefan. Nice. So yeah, now it's Marco with Nzele Honey Badger. You know what? Easy. Easy. Arrivari! So yeah, everybody made it through. So yeah, onwards and forwards. There's another one, bigger one up ahead. Let's go check. Well done, boys. Wat het hy so geklink of hy sluk? Marco? Hy het so geklink of hy sluk? Nee. Ja, kom ons hoor net of hy reg is. Nee, hy's reg. Nee, hy's reg. So ja, onwards and forwards. So Dikkas, we have christened this Hilux GD6, né? We've christened it Cinderella. even Cinderella, easy. And before people going, I did walk the line. Ask Dikkas. I did walk the line. So calculated risk. So let's go see where this road leads us. Water.
Sit.
Easy, Dikkas. Easy. No forcing. But anyways, just check how beautiful it is in this Mopani forest here. Unbelievable. And I say to Dikkas, we should seriously consider Hunters Road, Mud Guts and Glory in March. There's so much more water than in January. It's unreal. But let's go look for somewhere to sleep, Dikkas.
Ja,
As in Cinderella.
ons is Cinderella.
Arvari.
Voor ergens.
Dikkas,
Maar as ons
are you enjoying back to basic, bro?
ja, back to basics. 8 saai, kom ek.
Vastbyt.
Vasbyt.
Kemstaaldraad.
Ons het net nie koelers en
Ja.
braairoosters gehad.
So, Dikkas, do me a favor. Bring me that cool drink cooler. I just want to show them 2 days now. 2 days. So, there's our tent. Thank you, Howling Moon, for our Wis tent. There's Marco and Jan. They are staying high ground. They are clever. They chose the high ground. But they're going to slaap afdraande. And let's just take a walk through the rest of the Back to Basics camp. These two boykies, they took it now to the next level because they have stretcher journeys. Check here. I'm going to show you what me and Dikkas look like. We are really back to Kamstaaldraad. There's a 2-man tent. There's a chopper tent coming up. There's another chopper tent. The boys with the cruiser. But just check the spectacular view and sunset. And everybody, is it lekker so ver, boys?
Baie.
Johnny, is it lekker so ver? Loving it.
Loving it.
Loving it, man. Don't want to tour otherwise anymore. Net Dikkers. We just want to tour like this now. And Cinderella. This legend 55, nee. We call it Cinderella. Listen, I take my hat off. This is now what? 2 days, Dikkers. Moer. Check here. Ice. 2 days. Still have ice. This is impressive, Dikkers. This is impressive. Meat still ice cold, frozen. Yeah.
But what's more impressive
Yeah.
is you can buy this.
And keep it out of the water.
Now you can buy this
Yeah.
in Botswana.
Yeah.
But I'm not allowed to bring it through the border post.
Now we can never explain those Johnnies. But moer, man. This is lekker.
Okay.
This is lekker. Let's make fire, Dikkers. So this is what not Kasani, Francis town. Proper maas. Not moer T-bones. What now? What now? Maybe it was a little froggy, man. Hierdie ou chicken jive hierso. So check hierdie Johnnies, nee. Botswana, 100% Botswana beef. Draai bietjie daar, Jan, laat ons sien, man. Just see. My maat. Falls off the bone. Daar sê. Coffee time, boys. Ek moet staan en wag vir die koffie. Kyk hoe staan hulle wag vir die koffie. Early morning. Lots of hyena activity, but ja. Dikkers, kom ons maak koffie. Wat is dit? Let's make coffee. So back to basics. Then a bucket clap becomes a table. So let's make some coffee. But we're gonna do. Dus Dikkers het nou weer alles net hier ingedruk. You see? Now this is Dikkers. He's just pressing everything in on the back. Now there's the kettle. There's the back to basics Nespresso machine. Let's make coffee.
Okay, nou begin.
Right, Dikkers. There's no malinkie, it's now Dikkers. 1.
Chichi.
2. 3. 4, make it 4.5 spoons. Now, listen, if you don't know what tracker is, we can't be friends. Because this is the ultimate old school back to basics coffee. When I was still a small mushman, klein lightikie, we only drank tracker. But because Dikkers, my sissy is here, and he's a little bit pedantic, we need to cater for him as well. So now we're buying some Lani House of Coffees Johnnies.
Sophisticated.
Sophisticated. Hey, where did you learn those big words, my bro?
Ek sê jou.
Yeah. But listen, this is now how you start the morning. Let's maak hom lekker sterk, man. En nog een verliefde. Alright, now there's Johnny. He's now going to the fire. Man.
Ons slaap eers weer môre aan.
Yeah, if you can smell this, But this is what back to basics is all about. Kom ons gaan fire toe met die Johnny. Arrivari. So nou, nee, moet hier kom gooi Stefan, ek sal hou vas, bra. Ek sal.
Stefan, dat jy daai koffie in het gaan jou blys toe goed.
So,
Dan gaan ek 'n paar drink.
so dis is nou, ek sal vir jou gooi. Hou jy vas daai Johnnies, nee. Nou kyk jy net, this is how the old school, how we drank back to basics coffee, nee. Sê nog 'n bietjie.
Ja. Sê dankie.
Now you gooi away the moer. You chuck that away. Ja, check there. Kom, nog 'n bietjie vir jou ook. Now you must stamp it with either condensed milk, nee. Toe maar. either stamp it with sugar and condensed milk, né? Because you have to make it sweet.
Want some more?
Yeah, yeah.
Let me pour this out.
Ja. Nou, it's my beard. Nee, gooi maar boys, gooi. Now that's now back to basics coffee. Hasse. And now you must stamp it with the sugar, né? Because it has to be. Nee, is reg.
Okay.
Check. It has to be super sweet. So stamp hom met die suiker. Now we're drinking back to basics coffee.
Cheers.
Let me quickly run you through the back to basics, Johnny. So, me and Dickus, we are in Cinderella. Listen, and I am so blown away by the performance of this little Cinderella. So, a parado, ne? Very happy. Happy with the performance of a parado. Lekker. En Stefanus, hy laks papi. He and his co-driver, navigator, in what just legend, ne? Legend Hilux. And then Johnny, Johan, and Daniel again in a Raider 2.8, ne? Happy with your Raider, the performance so far. And then we've got Land Cruiser for this back to basics. The only one that got stuck so far, I must add, but I think that was a little bit of a driver error. That's not cruiser error, ne?
Brand new person.
And then my buddy Kasongo, ne? And this Nsele, Honey Badger. Sure. Marcos, you happy with your Johnny? That's petrol 4.5, check his on, ne? But all round, I would have loved to have a Isuzu and a Ford and a Nissan as well on this back to basics, Johnny. But listen, first time ever, Marco, ever that we had to turn around at that little Nata River key. It just is deep. So it was about this deep. So I'm not for drinking Toyota SA's Hilux. No. But anyways, ne? So just inflating, because we've got a little bit of tar road. We're on the route to Elephant Sands for tonight. Because what is a Botswana trip without Elephant Sands? We have to go to Elephant Sands. So yeah, start the choppers. Let's go to Elephant Sands.
The Georgie.
Dis hoe dit lyk as 'n mens nie bacon en eggs in die oggend kry nie, maar jy moet dog biscuits en cereal bars. Moet jy nou oor die weg kom.
Gebalanseerde dieet.
Iets in elke hand.
Jy sien.
Brother, now we glamping, my bro.
Nou glamp ons.
Haal jou vingers van die lens af.
Dit lyk bietjie gay. Moet net so hierdie een hand gebruik.
Ja, gebruik net die een hand. En laat die lens my nie dik lyk nie.
Ja, nee, hy doen die trekkingkie omhoog in. Ja, sy.
Nou eet ek lekker,
Nou
man.
eet ons lekker.
Arrivari.
Arrivari.
So wild dogs at Elephant Sands. Unbelievable. How fortunate are we to see the Elephant Sands wild dogs. There's some more under the bush. Yo. Kan ons 'n bietjie terug gaan. 1, 2, 3. There's some more. How beautiful is this? The Elephant Sands wild dogs. So this is why people come to Elephant Sands in Botswana. Let me go show you why. Check this out.
Ja.
Beautiful.
Ja. Ja, weer een rol.
Lekker raining.